Bonjour à tous et bienvenue sur French School TV. Aujourd'hui, c'est la leçon numéro 11. Today is number 11, the session number 11. So, what are we going to do today? Look at that. Today, we are going to learn how to ask for something in a shop, understand prices, and interact politely in French. Allez, c'est parti tout le monde. On attaque. Let's go. Start with a little dialogue. Client. Bonjour. Je voudrais une baguette, s'il vous plaît. Voilà. Et avec ceci, une chocolatine, s'il vous plaît. Ça fait combien? Ça fait 3,20 €. Voilà. Merci. Merci. Bonne journée. So, plenty of things we already know and plenty of new things that we are going to learn today. So, bonjour, je voudrais une baguette, s'il vous plaît. Hello, I'd like a baguette, please. Voilà. Here you go, there you go. Et avec ceci, and with this, une chocolatine, s'il vous plaît. Ça fait combien? A chocolatine. If you don't know about chocolatine, it's like pain au chocolat, but from the south. It's the same exact thing. Ça fait combien? How much is that? How much is the total between the baguette and the chocolatine? Ça fait 3,20 €. That's 3,20 €. Voilà, there you go. Merci, thank you. Merci, bonne journée, thank you, have a nice day. So key phrases here we want to remember. Conditionnel, to ask politely. We already know this one because we saw it on the last session, session number 10. Je voudrais une baguette. I would like a baguette. Very important question, but only when we are making the total price of different things we have picked up in a shop or a restaurant or etc., etc. C'est combien? Ça fait combien? How much is it? How much is the total? We can use or the verb être, c'est combien, or the verb faire, ça fait combien. Combien is how much, basically, you know, how many, how much, etc., etc. Donc, c'est combien, ça fait combien. How much is the total? And you can answer using the verb être or the verb faire. Ça fait 3,20 €. C'est 3,20 €. It's the exact same thing, but we can use two different ways to express that price or ask for that price. Very important when you go to France, every time you are going to ask for a product or buy a product, the salesperson is going to ask you, et avec ceci, and with this, anything else? Do you like something else? Voilà. You know this one, right? There you go. Here it is. Here you go. Voilà. Merci. Bonne journée. Thank you. Have a nice day. Don't confuse bonjour et bonne journée. They're two different things, okay? Bonjour is to say hello. Bonne journée is to greet someone. Have a nice day. Have a good day. Bonne journée. Bonjour. Hi. Hello. Okay, a little bit of pronunciation, everybody. Look at my lips and repeat after me. Je voudrais une baguette. Je voudrais une baguette. Je voudrais une baguette. Super. Excellent travail. Great work. Next one. Ça fait combien? Ça fait combien? How much is it? Next one. Et avec ceci. Et avec ceci? Et avec ceci? Final one. Voilà. Voilà. Super. Excellent travail. Great work, everybody. Amazing. Okay. Question to practice when we want to ask for a price, or maybe someone is going to ask us something in a shop. So the basic question to ask for a price is combien ça coûte? How much is it? Okay. And anytime you see something and you want to know the price, you just have to ask combien ça coûte? How much does this thing cost? Combien ça coûte? The answer is pretty easy. 30 euros, 20 euros, 10 euros. But sometimes people can reuse ça coûte. And so, combien ça coûte? The question, ça coûte 10 euros. Or we can use c'est 10 euros. It's 10 euros. If we are making a total price of different items, we will not use combien ça coûte. Obviously, you can use it if you don't remember the other sentence. But if we're doing the total of different items, we will use ça fait combien? C'est combien? How much is the total of that? And the answer will be c'est 30 euros, ça fait 30 euros. One or the other one. And very important, et avec ceci, anything else? Do you want anything else? And with that, with this, rien. Merci. Nothing. Rien. Rien. Look at my lips. Rien. Merci. Nothing. Thank you. A little bit of pronunciation. Okay, let's go, guys. Bien. Ça coûte. Combien ça coûte? Combien ça coûte? Next one. C'est combien? C'est combien? Rien. Merci. Rien. Merci. Super. Magnifique. Amazing work. Live exercise. You know, we love these ones because you have to practice, understand how the language works. Later, you have plenty of exercise on the PDF you can find on the Telegram group to, you know, really improve your skills and get to know more vocabulary, more grammar, more question, more everything. Okay. A very complicated exercise. Fill in the blanks using these words. We're going to have two exercises today. This is the first one. We have here 5 sentences. They are not connected one to another. You have to fill these sentences with combien, voudrais, voilà, fait, merci. First one, je, une baguette. Ça, 2 euros. C'est, mhm. Mhm. Beaucoup. So what the answer? Let's look at that all together. Je voudrais une baguette. I'd like baguette. Ça fait 2 euros. Total is 2 euros. C'est combien? How much is the total? Voilà. There you go. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. Second exercise now. Can you translate these sentences in French? I would like a baguette. How much is it? That's 3 euro. Here you go. Thank you. Have a nice day. Okay, first one. I would like a baguette. Je voudrais une baguette. Second one. How much is it? We have different way to ask here. Combien ça coûte? Or if we are speaking about a total, c'est combien? Ça fait combien? That's 3 euros. C'est 3 euros. Ça fait 3 euros. Here you go. Voilà. Thank you. Merci. Have a nice day. Bonne journée. Je voudrais une baguette. C'est ou ça fait combien? Oh, combien ça coûte? C'est 3 euros. Ça fait 3 euros. Voilà. Merci. Bonne journée. Recap. Remember, everybody, when we want to ask for something in a shop, in a bar, in a restaurant, we will always use the conditionnel. Je voudrais un croissant, s'il vous plaît. I'd like a croissant, please. Ça fait combien ou c'est combien? How much is the total? How much is it? Et avec ceci, anything else? Voilà. There you go. Now what? Like always, go to Telegram group, download the PDF, do all the exercise, write something in the group, maybe the question we saw today, try to invent a dialogue and share it by writing it in the group, or just record yourself doing the dialogue and share it with the group as well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I see you for the next session. Salut, salut! Bonne journée!